I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the premium leather case for the Amazon Kindle Oasis. And I love this case. This is actually made from an authentic leather, and it wraps totally around your Kindle Oasis. And I really like the fact that it's fairly compact, so it still feels like this is a pretty sleek, easy to carry device. You can even fit it in a coat pocket. It doesn't add a lot of bulk, but it definitely does seem to add a good amount of protection. It extends a little bit over the sides of the device, so if you do, drop it or bang it on a surface, the case is offering you some protection there. But what I really like about it is that it is that authentic leather, so it really feels almost like you're reading a book or reading a leather-bound book, so something really fancy and nice. And it also is designed to show kind of scratches and wear over time, almost like the cover of a really nice leather-bound journal or leather-bound book. So all these little scratches and nicks and things build up over time. It's designed to do that, and it kind of has its own distinctive look that's unique to your particular device. So if you like that kind of distressed look and something that's really unique, these scratches aren't damaged. They actually are designed to happen, and it forms kind of its own patina of these little scratches and dings over time. And again, that sort of connects it to the heritage of reading a real book. It actually even has the smell of a leather-bound book because it is, again, genuine leather. It does fit directly onto the device. Mine's not charged at the moment. That's okay. Just clips into this plastic piece on the inside here. And another thing I like about it, this case I find, it's not technically waterproof. So if I'm going to be using the device, if I'm in the bathtub or going to the pool or the beach or something, I can take it out. You can see it doesn't fall out really readily, but I'll pause this and show. Just lift the edge up, easily pop the device out, and then it's got this plastic, very sort of rigid, protective aspect on the inside. You can see I have been reading this at the beach because it does have some sand from the Kindle on there, and it's designed perfectly to fit the profile of the back of the Kindle Oasis. It's totally just friction that's holding it in, so it's really well designed. Just pop that back in, close it up. It has that magnetic closure, so it'll stay closed. And it's just a really high quality, really nice sort of classy addition to what's already a really nice, sleek, classy, easy to use device.